What is up, guys? None of the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just create a signature stamp in Adobe Acrobat. So first you need to head over to Adobe Acrobat and then you need to choose a PDF. And after that, you need to choose the e-sign. And after choosing the e-sign button here on the left side, you have the e-signatures fields. Click on this e-signature and then click on send. After that, you need to enter your email. And after entering your email, and after entering that email and then send button, you need to head back to the home page and then you need to click on this e-sign. And from here, you need to click on add a signature. After that, you need to drag and drop your signature file, or you can just simply add a document. You can also add an account for the signatures. Let's say I want this and I'll click on continue. And after that, here on the left side, as you can see, this is the sign editor. You will click on edit your signature, and after that you can just type in your signature. Let's say I want to type in Danny, and as you can see, this is my signature. I can draw this, I can take an image, or let's say if I want this typed sign only, I'll click on save. And after that, as you can see, the sign has been initiated, and from here I can just hover it and just keep it anywhere that I want. So this is how you can create a sign. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.